Hey everybody, welcome back to your monthly market stats for the month of October. We're looking at Hamilton. Let's jump into the details. Okay, first set of numbers here, we're seeing the number of sales going up. Months of inventory is at a nice number, more than four, almost at 5 months worth of selection for our buyers to select from, which is really nice sign. We are seeing a slight decrease in the average selling price. Now that could be due to the fact that we have our sellers readjusting the pricing of their valuations of their homes with the higher interest rate. So it could be a really interesting time for buyers to be getting into the market because we're seeing basically the floor of the market and we have more to select from, which is great. Okay, so let's look at trends. So on the top graph over there, we're seeing over the past 10 months in 2023, the average selling price in Hamilton. We're seeing basically a bit of a straight level, a little bit of a dip in the last couple of months, and that could be due to the fact that we have higher interest rates that's been quite prolonged, and our sellers are having to reduce their pricing just a bit to maintain and actually sell their property in the period of time here. And in the bottom graph, we're looking at only 2 years now, we are seeing a decrease, which does make sense considering the fact that there's been higher and higher increase rates that have been applied from the Bank of Canada, and therefore the valuations of homes have been coming down. What does that mean for our buyers specifically? It means it's a great time to be getting into the market as well as making that next move up to the bigger home because you're seeing that home prices have been coming down. Good opportunity to be had. Okay, so last set of numbers here, we've broken down the different types of numbers based on property types, anyway from detached all the way down to townhouse rows. We're seeing an overall trend of much more months of inventory, basically more properties to select from for our buyers, which is wonderful to see. And average selling prices below the 100%. What that means is that there is some negotiation going on here, some wiggle room, and better valuations for the properties, anywhere as low as 97 to about 98%. So what you're seeing as a listing price for these properties, you can see there's definitely going to be coming down of pricing for the sellers. So we're basically saying great time to be working on getting the best value, best negotiations, and making that move while we're in the winter time in 2023 before we get into that rush of the spring and summertime of 2024 when everyone's entering the market. Anyways, my name is Tarek Elibak. Here's my phone number. There's my email address. Let's have a quick chat, figure out your real estate needs, and we will go from there. Thank you so much, everybody. We will see you next month. Bye bye.